I can't believe it, man. Like, this is what remains of the greatest empire on the face of is the Roman Empire. You know, these are the motherfuckers that nailed Jesus, goddammit. Like, I can't believe I'm standing right by the building and having to witness how magnificent this place is. I can't tell you how beautiful it is and how humble I am to be able to witness it, man. Like, I'm out here representing, you know, buying my chalace and shit. Having a good time. I can't tell you how beautiful it is, man. Like, be happy for the brother. Stop hating. I'll get back to you. Actually, was worrying I'll come back, but like, I can't believe I'm having to witness this place. This place is just really amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Really. ኤውሌን ጌታ በቃ ፈርሷል። ይኸውልህ የሰቀሉት ምናምን ሁሉ የሉም። ይኸውልህ በቃ ታሪክ ዘጋቸው ማለት ነው። ይኸውልህ ተነስቷል ሲሉ ደስ የሚል ለዚህ እኮ የሆነ the resurrection story በጣም የምወደው ለዚህ ነው። የሉም እነሱ ታውቃለህ። ፍርስራሽ ሆኗል የምታየው ነገር በሙሉ ለመታደስ የሚሞከር ነው። የቀበሩ ተቀበሩ አይገርምም? እሱ ግን ዛሬ ያው ነው እንላለን። በእኛም ውስጥ ያው ነው። ከሱ የጠጣ አይጠማም አባት። ከሱ የበላ ማይራብ። Amazing place. I'm having a spiritual epiphany up in this bitch, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the pilot. This is, I don't know, like, they're rolling it back then. So I'm begging Jesus to Christ right now. Thank you so much.
All right.